Good morning, and let's look at the top stocks to watch out for in trade this morning. Let's start with the auto space. Now we have Maruti Suzuki, which came out with its October production numbers, and we are seeing a decline of over 26% coming in the production in the overall production of number of units at around 1,34,779 units from 1,82,419 units a year ago. So surely that has dragged overall a drag in the production coming in by the persisting shortage of the electronic components impacting overall the production of the company in the month of October as well. Moving on, we'll talk about Tata Motors. Now, according to reports, is suggesting that the company is looking to expand its portfolio of the India specific EV products, and they plan for around 20% EV penetration in the next 5 years. The plan is for 10 electric vehicle models by FY26. So surely keep an eye out on Tata Motors as well. Moving on, we do have ALEMBIC Pharma also, which is saying that the USFDA has actually issued a Form 483 with 10 observations after conducting inspections at its injectable facility in the state of Gujarat, and this was from October 28 to November 10th. So surely keep an eye out on ALEMBIC Pharma. Moving on, we'll talk about some of the earnings that did come out. We have BERGER Paints, which reported its numbers. Now, overall, profits have declined by 1%, while the revenue actually is up by 28% for the company. Now, profits obviously declining due to the higher tax expenses that the company has seen coming in. Keep an eye out on BERGER Paints. Railway VIKAS NIGAM too in focus after its Q2 numbers, where the net profits have actually jumped by 48% on a year-on-year basis, coming in at 279 crore rupees versus 188 crore rupees. So surely good growth coming in the profitability. Revenues also are up by 26%. So keep an eye out on Railway VIKAS NIGAM as well. Pidilite too in focus. Yes, similar to what other companies are seeing, is that the revenue surely seeing a good growth, but margins, the EBITDA margins of the company are surely under pressure, mainly due to the rise in inflation costs that is impacting most companies and impacting the operating performance of the companies as well. So revenue, strong growth, margins under pressure. Profitability also seeing a slight bit of a growth coming in over there. Moving on, Zomato too in focus today after its Q2 numbers, where surely revenues came in as a positive surprise, but what still stayed and is a concern is the profitability. That is a concern, and it persists to stay, where the losses and the EBITDA loss of the company both have actually widened for the company. So surely keep an eye out on Zomato as well. MOL lastly too in focus after it reported lower profit in Q2 of around 60 crores versus 62 crores last quarter, while other than that the revenues of the company have surely seen an increase coming in on the quarter-on-quarter basis, and the company has also announced and approved a buyback of shares of around 694 crore rupees. So surely keep an eye out on all these stocks today at 9:15 a.m.